So I wake up, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm past fucked up, and I wake up because of course Chicago, it's raining out. And guess what I wake up to? Now you thinking like, oh, that's a floor. No, your homegirl is in water. My whole motherfucking house is flooded. Everything. Just been flooded, so right now I'm just I can't even. Those fucking water really got that bad. Pictures just floating. Everybody know how I am about my goddamn pictures. Put that on the refrigerator. But yeah. Oh, doesn't stop there. One time. Hold on, let me turn around. So you can just kind of imagine a baby stroller. Just shit everywhere. Let's move on to my living room. You hear my carpet